Ekegambero ekenene kya Kisiro Courts.
We refer to the Judiciary Bail and Bond Guidelines, specifically paragraph 4(9)(a).
Omugaso bw'erituko lya lero Abakagerwa Batano na Oyomo banyarako ba Goikiwa Bosio bumunachi ebina Mildred Obura ase amamocho y'obukurumi obo babwaterentie bw'ekibesa kye county area Omabei abo ase bari kunyarako bagokora emirimo.
He is not seen through the lens of liquidated amount.
Egati y'Abakagerwa abo amona Faith Odhiambo Oyomo crack ase county ya Omabei. Rosrin Onyango Odhiambo muwaziri w'ekindemero, Patrick Tanui Omosafeya, Public Works, James Ayuka omunyakergo bw'ekambani eyanyatako bagekwegwa etenda eyo ya Atrans Enterprises naboiko omurugyoye Mary Pauline Oduor,
which states that the nature of the charge or offense should be given due regard when determining the amount.
Korengana amone kyombekeria kyokora obutuki na boigo gukora obusari EACC Abakagerwa abo nigo bakubwatenwa amona mamocho ayo y'obukurumi bw'ekibesa kimilioni 343 kubwatikana amone tenda eyo banyatuko bakwena na guchi ase ekambani eyo.
When it comes to protecting liberty of the subjects, he is the most sacrosanct individual in the system of our legal system or legal administration.
Look at the amount, the contract sum, you might it might be presumed that what is lost is the 348 million, but what they are asking for in the simple case is 36,270,032 from all the accused persons. Out of that money, Your Honor, there is 13,511,262, which is held in Cooperative Bank account number 01, but also just to indicate that that amount is frozen by the EACC, and that account belongs to Heartland and the 4th and 5th defendant.
Bono nigo omunachi ebina Mildred Obura anyarako kubaka obwaini bw'ekishiringi kimilioni 5 kera Oyomo naboigo ekashiberi y'ekimilioni 30 abu ase ekine kyo kera kikonyarako bagekogenderera.
There is no indication that they are a flight risk. However, the court appreciates the seriousness of the offense before court, which I say is very serious, and also noting that the matter involves public funds. Whether or not the actual amount is stated on the charge sheet, or whether or not there is evidence to support the charge, is not a matter for determination at this juncture. So bearing the above in mind, I hereby direct that the accused person shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 30 million or a cash bail of Kenya shillings 5 million shillings for each accused person. 30 million plus one surety of the said amount, or a cash bail of 5 million shillings for each accused person. I took into account the circumstances of the 4th and the 5th accused persons, and my directions are that the 5th accused person shall be released on a personal bond of Kenya shillings 5 million plus 2 sureties of the said amount.
Incorporateria emesa ya mangana maya koru ase Ekegambero ekenene kya Kisiro Courts. Eriane ni gonkuru kwa Hespon Bosire.